Yes, Mr. Salim. Where are you from, Mr. Salim?
I am from Delhi.
Delhi.
Yes, yes.
Where in Delhi? Where in Delhi?
I live in Delhi at Shadra.
Chadra, Chadra. I see. Where is Chadra, Mr. Salim? I have no idea about Chadra. Where is Chadra in Delhi?
Shadra is locality in Delhi.
I see. It's area. It's area. Small
Yes, yes,
area, like an area.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
How did you know about me, Mr. Salim? How did you know about me?
Yeah. Yeah. One day I was watching some English speeches videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. That time automatically your video is showing
I
left
see.
side on YouTube. So I watch your video
Yes, sir. So,
and
did you found?
yeah, I
Yeah.
liked your video and I very motivated from your videos.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Did you find my videos are like useful for a learner?
Yeah.
Did you find?
Yes, yes, yes. Very
Yes, yes.
useful.
I
And
see.
I would like to thank you to you for making
Yes.
Arif Auto channel on YouTube.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for
It's
your
a great,
love and
it's
support.
a great channel.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Mr. Salim, what you do, sir? What you do?
I am graphic designer.
Graphic designer.
Yes.
What does that mean by graphic designer? Can you please tell me in detail?
Yeah.
What's your job? What you work in actually?
Yeah. I create web design, logo,
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
letterhead.
I see.
Yes, and all the company stationaries.
Stationery.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is for your own, or like you are working under somewhere,
Yeah.
some any firm.
Yeah. I uh, I am working in a private company
You're
as a
working
graphic.
in a firm.
Yes. Yes.
I see. That's nice. That's nice. That's a fantastic.
Thank
So,
you.
and what's your purpose behind that? You wanted to learn English. What is
Yeah.
the purpose behind?
I want to be fluent in English speaking.
You wanted to be fluent in spoken English
Yes. Yes.
speaking. Why? Do you have any reason behind that? Why you wanted to be fluent in English speaking? Do you have
Right
any
now,
reason?
uh, I don't have any reason for
Yeah,
now. But
yeah.
if I good in English, so
Mhm.
I can go everywhere, and
I see.
I will have many opportunities.
Mhm. What about your what about in your company? Do they speak in Hindi or English? Why if they need to communicate to each other, they speak Hindi or in English? Which
Yeah,
language they communicate?
yeah, both.
Both language, huh?
Both.
I see, I see. Tell me about Mr. Kejriwal. Do you like Kejriwal?
Yeah, I like Kejriwal.
Yes. Well, I
I
have heard. Do you like Kejriwal? Tell me why.
Yeah, I like Kejriwal and his policies as well.
I see, I see. Like what policy? Can you please tell me?
Yeah, because Kejriwal promised us.
Yes.
Yeah, if they will be chief minister in Delhi, so
Yeah.
they will improve school, our
Mm-hmm.
school, government
Mm-hmm.
hospital,
Yeah.
and transport, and
I
women
see.
safety,
Yes.
and water, electricity,
Yes. Yes.
labor wages as well.
Yes. Yes. So did he
So
deliver?
yeah,
Did he
yeah.
deliver?
He fulfilled uh,
I
his promises.
I see. I see.
That's
Like
why.
can you please
Now,
tell me
yeah,
in
yeah.
detail?
Now we have now they improved school,
Uh-huh.
colleges, and
I see.
healthcare. They worked on healthcare and
Yeah.
transport, and
I see.
yeah. And now we have Mohalla clinic.
I
Those famous in all over the world.
Yeah, I want to know what is the Mohalla clinic? How they perform? What is the basis of the Mohalla clinic? Why actually?
Mohalla
What is the
clinic, yeah,
yeah, what is
Mohalla,
Mohalla first of all?
Mohalla clinic, every locality, uh,
Mhm.
yeah, Mohalla clinic has in whole locality in Delhi,
Yes,
and you can fulfill your basic needs from
I
Mohalla clinics,
I see, I see,
like
I see,
cold, fever,
I see, I see, I
basic
see,
needs. Yeah,
I
this is a
I,
great. Yeah.
I see. It's a primary healthcare system. You
Yes,
know,
yes, yes. Yeah.
it's a primary healthcare system. I see. So do people pay there? Do people pay there, or it's
It's
absolutely
free. It's free, absolutely free.
yes, absolutely free. Absolutely. Well, I have heard about that. That for a ladies, buses are free. Is that true or what? It's
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah,
wrong.
yeah, yeah. Bus is
Yes.
tariff free for women.
Only in Delhi, or you can go out of the Delhi as well with the buses.
Only in Delhi.
Only in Delhi. This is only for ladies, or it's also for gents as well.
Yeah, it's for ladies.
And I have heard one more thing that electricity is free of cost. Totally, electricity is free for you
Yes,
people.
yes, yes, yeah, yes. He given to us free electricity 5 years. When he became first time chief minister of Delhi, that
Yes,
he given to us 5 years free electricity, and
I see.
till now
Yes,
electricity tariff bill has been changed.
I see.
Now if you use 0 to 200 units, so you will have to pay 3 rupees each unit.
Oh my God, 3 rupees.
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. What happened here in my Surat? Like a per unit, we are paying 10 rupees per unit. We are paying 10 rupees per unit.
10 rupees.
Yes,
And
and
no any subsidy.
no subsidy, no subsidy.
I
We
see.
are paying GEB 10 rupees per unit.
Oh, I see.
And most of the Gujarat people are paying 10 rupees per unit electricity bill. And we are paying also the construction bill as well. We call there is some wastage bill, water bill, street light bill, then other development as well. So these are very costly here in Surat compared to Delhi. It's very costly in Surat here in Surat. But 3 rupees per it's a fantastic. It's a really fantastic. And what about the water? Water is also free. I think. I
Yeah,
think water is also,
also, yeah, water is also free till now, and 20,000 liter in a month.
yeah,
If you
I
use
see.
20,000 liter in a
I
month, you will be free.
I see. I see.
You will
And
not have to pay anything.
that's really fantastic, Mr. Salim. You people are enjoying, yeah, isn't it? You people are enjoying in Delhi.
That's why everyone can live in Delhi easily.
I see. Fantastic, fantastic. I want to know the daily wages. The daily wages system. The daily wages system.
Yeah, yeah.
What does it mean by daily wages?
Pardon?
Daily
Sorry.
wages, daily wages for
Yeah,
a
yeah,
labor.
I know. Yeah, I know. I don't know daily wages, but I know monthly wages in
I see.
Delhi.
Okay. Yes. What is the monthly wages per? Like it's a fixed or it's
Yeah,
not fixed yet?
yeah, it's a fixed.
Yes.
Uh, they have been distributed in 6 part.
I see.
Daily labor wages in six
Yeah.
part. One, unskilled.
Yes.
Second, semi-skilled. Third, skilled. And fourth, non-matriculates. And fifth, matriculates,
I
not
see.
graduate. And
I
sixth is
see.
graduate and above.
I see.
Yeah, so
Okay.
around 15,000 rupees for
I
unskilled
see.
people. Yeah, and around 17,000 rupees for semi-skilled people,
I see.
and
I see.
around 19,000 rupees um, skilled people.
I see. Skilled
Okay.
people.
And 17 and again 17,000 rupees, around 70,000 rupees for
Mhm.
non-matriculates
I
people,
see.
and 19,000 rupees matriculates not graduate,
I see.
and
I
20,000 rupees for graduate and above.
I see. Well, that's a fantastic. That's a fantastic.
And what is the wages of Surat?
Well, wages are not fixed here. It's totally up to you. The mill holder is, the mill owner or some private company. They are king here. We have no minimum wages. We have no security for labor here in Surat. We are
Mhm.
not for labor, unskilled worker here. It's totally up to you. Like I'll give you an example, right? You are owner, and I want to, I want, I'm working in your firm. I'm working under you. So it's up to you. You can give me whatever you want. Like if you wanted to pay me 300 rupees, yeah.
Mhm.
If you, I can't do anything. I can't complain anywhere here and there. I can't complain. It's totally up to you. You know,
Mhm.
yes, it's totally up to you. So
This is good.
no daily wages are fixed. I remember that I was working 2 years ago, one of the big company, private limited company. I was working, I know the name also the company, but I want to tell you, 2 years ago, 1.5 or 2 years ago, I was working, per hour, I was getting that time per 8 hour, I was getting 300 rupees,
Okay.
300. So wages are not fixed here.
Oh, this is not good actually.
Wages are
Everyone should know their rights.
just,
Yeah.
but there is no rule here. There is no rule here, brother. This is the thing. There is no rule here. I don't know
Mhm.
whether rule is available or not, but it's not applicable. People are not following the rules.
Mhm.
People are not following the rules here in Surat.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's the problem. That's the big problem here in Surat, brother.
I
And
understand.
yeah, these things are we are facing here in Surat. I don't know about other place, but what I face here in that's what I'm telling. And tell me more about Mr. Salim. I want to know more about Delhi. I want to know more about Delhi.
Yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason behind this. Arvind Kejriwal, his party name is Aam Aadmi Party, and
Yeah.
Aam Aadmi Party has come again in a
Mhm.
mass majority.
Yes.
This is the reason. This is the reason because
Yeah.
of their work.
Because of their work, they people are working for normal people.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, they are
Yeah.
working not for other people, not for a big company. They are working for normal people.
Mhm.
They are. That's why. That's why. People love him. People love him. That's
Yes, yes.
really.
Yeah, this is
Tell me
the
more. Tell me more about your policies. Tell me more about your government. I want to know. People want to know. Most of the people are watching us right now. So tell me more about what is the good thing in Delhi. Tell me more, Mr. Salim, if you know anything about that.
yeah. Now we have a good healthcare system.
Yes,
Now we have good hospital.
yes, yes.
School improved like private and high
Yeah.
school.
Tell me about government schools, Mr. Salim. Tell me something about government schools in Delhi. How's the government school?
Yeah, government school is fine in Delhi.
Yes, yes, yes. I see.
Hmm.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's a nice. That's
and most of the school improved like modern and high school, private school,
I I see. So those schools are in Hindi or in English?
both.
Both.
Yes.
Both are. That's a fantastic. That's a fantastic. Because private schools are they are increasing their fees day by
Hmm.
day. They are increasing their fees. So it's very good that we have a fantastic government school available in Delhi. It's very nice.
Yes. Look, Arif sir, we give we give tax to our government.
Yes.
So if government use our tax wisely, so
Yes.
we can get benefit, and yeah, we should give benefits.